Hey guys, Opie here. Welcome back to Brew City Gardener. Today I'm at my municipal compost pile. Now, if you take a look around, check out your city information, maybe county information. A lot of counties, cities, and other municipalities will have a compost yard. This one is a certified compost yard, and the majority of this compost is a fall leaf collection. So in the fall, when the leaves drop, all the neighborhoods in the city will rake their leaves and either bag them or just rake them to the curb. And trucks will come along with a big vacuum and suck all those leaves up. And then they come here to the compost yard where they're composted over the series of a couple of years. Now, a lot of people will poo-poo the idea of using a municipal compost. And I kind of understand why, because you can't control exactly what is going into that compost. But being the fact that the majority of this, I would say 90% plus, is just freshly falling fall leaves, I'm not terribly concerned about any contaminants. Yes, there's probably going to be some plastic and some other roadside debris that gets sucked up with the leaves. But really I haven't found too much. I found little bitty scraps of, this and that, but nothing major. My biggest concern would be glyphosates, which it's probably not a huge issue. If there is some in there, which there probably is, it's probably such a small percentage that it's really not going to be an issue. And I feel that this compost is safe enough to use to grow food for my family, and I'm not concerned about it whatsoever. It's a great resource. Here in my municipality, it's free, so I can come and get as much as I want. Same with wood chips. I'm going to take advantage of that because not only do I garden for the fun and the joy of gardening, but I garden because I have a large family. Mrs. Brew City Gardener and we're raising 7 children, and I'll tell you that story later. But it's very important that we budget appropriately and we save as much money as we can. And that's one of the main reasons why I do garden, is to put food on the table. It's very important. I can't emphasize enough how important it is to get that clean food, or to get as clean as you can to put on the table, especially with the things that are out there today in the everyday environment that is poisoning us. I'm lucky enough to have this compost yard less than a mile from my Brew City garden, so it's really convenient. As soon as I discovered it was here, I was jumping for joy. I saved so much money versus the bagged compost that you can buy at the garden store, and it's really a great, rich compost. I have no issues at all whatsoever of using this stuff. So with that, let's get to filling up some buckets. So I just want you to take a look at this compost. It's really just a beautiful, black, rich, very well broken down. Just a very nice, compacts and crumbles easily. It's got very little, whole organic matter in it, little sticks and twigs. So you can tell it's been out here for quite a while. And it's just really good stuff. I've been using this for a couple of years. Never once had an issue with it. And I'll continue to use it as long as it's available. Good stuff. If you got something like this in your neighborhood, I would definitely consider taking advantage of it. It's really a great resource. right, guys. Now I got several buckets filled with this beautiful compost, and I really want to encourage you to take a look around in your area, because you just might find that the same thing's available to you. It really is a great resource, and it's worth checking into, and it can save you a lot of money. All right, guys. Till next time. We'll see you.